Hello, DIY enthusiasts and budget conscious homeowners. Today we have got something truly exciting to share with you, an extreme kitchen makeover on a tight budget. We are going to transform this outdated kitchen into a modern, stylish space without breaking the bank. So let's get started. Before you embark on any renovation, it's crucial to plan and set a budget. Determine what you can spend and stick to it. Make a list of priorities. What do you really want to change? For us, it's these old cabinets. One of the most significant transformations you can achieve on a budget is reviving your cabinets. We are going to give these a fresh coat of paint. It's amazing what a little paint can do. Replacing all your appliances can be costly, but we have found an alternative. Consider buying gently used or refurbished appliances. They are often significantly cheaper than brand new ones. Replacing countertops can be a big expense. Instead, we are going to use a countertop refinishing kit. It's a cost effective way to give your kitchen a stylish and updated feel. Open shelving not only adds a trendy touch to your kitchen but is also budget friendly. You can find affordable buckets and select reclaimed wood for shelves. It's a fantastic way to display your cookware and add personality to your space. Updating your lighting is a simple and cost effective way to change the ambience of your kitchen. We are replacing these outdated fixtures with more modern and energy efficient ones. Just look at this incredible transformation. We turned in an outdated kitchen into a stylish, modern space without blowing our budget. The key to an extreme kitchen makeover on a budget is to be creative, resourceful, and to do a lot of the work yourself. Remember, with a little elbow grease and small choices, you can create the kitchen of your dreams without breaking the bank. If you found this makeover inspiring, please like and subscribe for more budget friendly home improvement tips. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you next time.